Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. Here we are again on another foggy morning. Foggy Monday, I guess, today. Yep. Pretty foggy out there, but it's supposed to clear up, so it's no big deal. Alright, so on the agenda today we have two projects. We have a large pool cage that's pretty dirty, and then we have a neighbor that's right up the street from that one that we're doing a house, driveway, fence, shed, just a lot of cleanup. At any rate, here we are, so we'll see you at the job. Alright, so here we are at the job site. I'll take you for a walk around and show you this pool cage. It's pretty bad, so. Alright. There it is. We got how bad that is up there. All down along the back here. And yeah, it's pretty bad through here. I'll go inside. All right, look how green that is up there. I think we got our work cut out for us today. Yeah, we can get all this done. All right, so that's what we got there. Down along the side. Yep. You're gonna have to hit this pretty hard. And then pull decking all through this side. Still got to remove these plants off of here. So anyway, that's our job for this morning. Let's get moving. All right, we're all done here. Let's take a walk around and I'll show you what it looks like. So much better. It's the outside. All right, and here's the inside of the cage. All nice and bright and white again. Yeah, turned out really nice. I had to go over it 2 or 3 times in some spots. So all the back. Alright, there we go, coming up back up the other side. Underneath there, yeah, big difference. This pull cages come out pretty dramatic. All right, so that's that one. Took a little bit longer than we anticipated, but that's it. So we're off to the next job. We'll see you there.